Yeah, hello everyone. Let us discuss this one problem. The numbers of goals X scored by the team in each of its previous 25 games are summarized by the total sum of x minus 1 square is 30 and sum of x minus 1 is 12. Now here find the mean number of the goals that the team scored per game. Okay, so now here mean. The basic formula to get mean is your x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n, where n is number of games. Here in this case, it's 25. Now, but here instead of x, they have given summation of x minus 1 is equal to 12. So let us understand how from this summation of x minus 1, we will get the summation of x and hence we get the mean. Okay. So two different approach I will explain you over here. The first one, okay, the first one, summation of x minus 1. Okay, now the summation of x minus 1, I can expand it and I can say that this is summation of x minus its summation of 1. Now, when I say that summation of 1 means it's 1 is adding. How many times 1 is adding? So it is adding 25 times. So this is equals to summation of x minus, when I add 125 times, I will get 25. So summation of x minus 25. Okay. And this value is given as 12. Okay. So from this, if we work out what is summation of x, so the summation of x will be 12 plus 25. 12 plus 25, which is 37. And therefore, x bar, which is mean, x bar will be equal to 37 divided by 25. And 37 divided by 25, 37 divided by 25 is 1.48. Okay. So this is one approach how I can find out the value of mean. Now let us understand a different approach. Okay. Now, when I say that summation of x minus 1, okay, that means whatever x values are given, every time I have subtracted 1. So what will happen to mean? That mean will also reduce by 1. Okay. So as my mean is reduced by 1, so if I have to find mean, which is x bar, what I will say that this x bar is equals to, now as each x I am reducing by 1, so what I will do, I will add 1 to this summation of x minus 1 divided by n. So this is the mean of x minus 1, okay, and I will add 1 to it. So this will give me 1 plus, now summation of x minus 1, here in your problem, summation of x minus 1 is given 12. So here it's 1 plus 12 divided by 25. And 1 plus 12 divided by 25, if you work out 1 plus 12 divided by 25, you will get your result as 1.48. So both the approaches are okay. Now, second, I have to find out the value of summation of x square. So what we understand that, okay, I will write some critical values which I have already find out. Like I find out what is summation of x. So summation of x was, it was 12 plus 25. So it was 37. Summation of x was 37. And the x bar we worked out as 1.48. Okay. Now, the second question is find out the summation of x square. Okay. Now here again, uh, here if you see that in your problem they given you x minus 1 the whole square. So what they given? they given you summation of x minus 1 the whole square, and this is equals to 30. So what I can do, I can expand this x minus 1 the whole square inside summation. So it will become summation of x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, and this is equals to 30. So what we can do, now we can expand it. So it will become summation of x square minus 2 times the summation of x. Now this 2 you can take common outside. So if like it's a 2 plus 4 plus 6, so what you can do, you can take 2 outside and in bracket you can write 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it's like that. Plus it's a summation of 1. So summation of 1 directly we can say that it's total number n. Okay, and this is equals to 30. So here this will give me summation of x square minus 2 times summation of x. You can see here you get the value as 37 plus summation of 1. So there are 25 um, games. So its summation of 1 is 25 and this whole is equals to 30. So from this you can work out what is summation of x square. So summation of x square is 30 minus 25 minus, not minus, it's plus 2 times 37, plus 2 times 37. Result is 79. So summation of x square is what? Summation of x square is 79. Now, suppose they ask me to find out what is variance. Okay, even it is not a part of this problem. Let us discuss what is variance. So, variance of x. Now, variance of x, I can write as variance of x as summation of x square divided by n minus x bar the whole square. Okay, so here in this case it is 79 divided by 25 minus x bar, mean if we see it's a 1.48. So 1.48 the whole square, 1.48 the whole square. So our result will be 79, 79 divided by 25 minus 1.48 the whole square. So the result is 0.9696. Okay. Now, as far as variance is concerned, if I replace all x with say x minus 1, okay, then my variance will remain unchanged. So here, variance of x can also be written as it is summation of x minus 1 the whole square divided by n minus it's a summation of x minus 1 divided by n the whole square. Now, the summation of x minus 1 divided by n is nothing but it's the average of all this sum of x minus 1. So, here this is equals to now summation of x minus 1 the whole square. If we see in the problem, it is given 30, 30 and 12. Okay, so 30. So, it's a 30 divided by 30 divided by 25. The total number of games are 25. So, 30 divided by 25 minus summation of x minus 1 is 12. So it's 12 divided by 25, the whole square. So this will give you 30 divided by 25 minus 12 divided by 25, the whole square. So again, your result is 0.9696. Now this is variance. If you want to find standard deviation, so sigma is square root of variance. Okay. So here we discuss two different approach to find the same result, to find uh, mean and to find variance. Now, if you refer your textbook, okay, if you refer your textbook, okay, you will find some formulas which are interesting to understand, some formulas like here I will present you in front of you. Okay, so if you simply apply formula without considering any logic behind them, will also work. So here is a list of formulas. Now the formula for ungrouped coded data. Coded data means your x you replace by say x minus b. So when x is replaced by x minus b, so variance of x minus b and variance of x are both same. Now if I code data instead of x minus b, if I code them in the form of ax minus b, then in that case variance of x will be 1 divided by a square times variance of ax minus b. Okay. So again, with the help of this ax minus b data, we can find out variance of x. For ungrouped coded data, now this is the formula for variance, summation of x squared divided by n minus x bar the whole square. So this is going to be same as summation of x minus b the whole square upon n. Okay, so here what I'm doing, x I'm replacing with x minus b minus this x bar is replaced by mean of this x minus b. So summation of x minus b divided by n the whole square. So already based on this, we have discussed one problem. Okay, and the same thing they fit over here. Now, when this x is replaced by x, so when x is multiplying by some number, then in that case we are dividing by square of that while finding the variance. Okay, so the formation of formula, okay, you should understand. And here, if frequency is involved, this is the formula. So that's it. Okay, you may get problems related with coded data, and this is how you should proceed with the coded data. Yeah, and the c part I will not discuss now, but it's a simple. Okay, when you add all the frequencies you should get 25, so you will get one relation between a and b using that total 25. And second, uh, we can find out, we can work out mean from this, okay, table. And mean, already we know that for the given data the mean is 1.48, so that will again help me to get one more equation in terms of a and b. And by solving this equation in terms of a and b, we will get the required result. Thank you.